Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone SE from 2022, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Now you will need a cable for this, that's why I have one right here. And obviously because of that you'll need a computer as well. So let's plug it in. Now you should hear just a little bit of a sound. You try to kind of fix this up. Maybe I can somehow make it so it sounds all the time. Hopefully just playing something in the background will help out with this. So let's try this again. I'm gonna adjust sound just a tiny bit. There we go, so that's really low. Okay, so now when I plug it in you should be able to hear it. There we go, so that's what we're looking for. So to put it into recovery mode, let's just press volume up, then volume down, and hold power key for the rest of the time. And you will hear, there we go, it disconnect from the computer, and it should start turning back on. Keep on holding the key and you'll see next thing, recovery mode. Now it won't actually say recovery mode, it will just show you this image and give you a sound. So that's basically all you need to do to boot the device into recovery mode. Now to leave this mode, again press volume up, then volume down and hold power key. Once this disappears from the screen, you can let go of the key and it will automatically boot the device back up into your iOS. So you can see that happening right now. And here we go. As you can see, we're now back in our iOS. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.